Jenny Mochail me Jack a Hune can row yours ma. Jenny Mochail me Jack's a come fair na hatch. Hook me gosh the bottom you can hear a shot the hobble. Then Hoshi Curie got us round the middle of the night. Hook me done a pale who's a point to do me wish a hush and Hoshi Curie grow and I'm stuck in here again.
Cymar a hashiv?
Hakama tapelif cymar a shifbein.
Hakama. Che how a chianav?
Chanil Carl.
The look up in you.
Chanil.
I four in you, Nachel.
Oh, good jara.
Hai che and you Nachel.
Che?
Shug. Hai che Nachel.
Che. Nachel. Nachel means isn't it? Can show. Che. Nachel. Che. Nachel. Program 10 is mainly revision, but we'll throw in the odd new word or phrase, such as Nachel. In that last sketch, we had it is, the question form vil, and the negative chanil. In this next sketch, you see what happens when a preposition like ounce, in, is used with a noun, such as bar. In the bar becomes ounce a var. We also had is acum, I know, and stallum, I like.
A Kaylee am a moch.
Oh, catch you will in Kaylee.
In Kaylee ounce a var.
Ko ha sheng Kaylee.
Chanil Isaakum. A vil Isaakat?
Is acum, Alistair is shine.
Geleva. Stall me.
In program 2, we had shin, which means that. In 5, we had sho, which means this. But there's another word which also means that. Ut. Ut is used when something is further away still. Along with sho, shin, and ut, you have ansho here, and shin there, and now anshut there, but further away.
Hikestui, ha eiche vahoun.
How could you have?
So she is and show. Ek geword, show.
Hami dov an shin. Stallum an board shin. Hami gyri bier.
Show. Hikestui, ha eiche vahoun. Troed. So she is and show.
Hami dolan shoot. Stall him about it. Hami geri bieg.
Show. Je how Kiri.
A Katrina.
Shug.
Rog weki Kaylee an rair.
Wow.
Could you row in Kaylee?
Be aan se waar.
Oh. Ko was shine eki Kaylee.
Va sheen a sheng Kaylee.
A row ma?
Charo. Charo emma itcher.
There you heard aiche va, a fine night. The adjective ma is changed to va. We moved on in that sketch to the past tense. Va me, I was. Va me ek a Gaelic, I was at the Gaelic. To ask were you use an ro. An ro u ek a Gaelic. Were you at the Gaelic? And the negative form is cha ro. Cha ro me ek a Gaelic, I wasn't at the Gaelic. Let's look at the future tense of the verb to be.
En be Kaylee aan se waar nog.
Be, and be you ek a Gaelic.
Gavi. Be me gop in nog. En be usse ek Kaylee.
Be. The question form of the future, will you, is be you. And the negative form, I won't, is cha vi me. Now, let's look at some other verbs. Quit, put, and fag, leave. A him, could and shoyat.
Ahim, trot en sjå. Na could en sjutat. Could en sjå iat.
J.
Could en sjå iat.
Gleva. Hami tulich.
Syniat.
A him,
Je.
fag, and shoyat. For the past tense, you change the beginning of the verb. Let's take could. You've just seen the commanding form, could and shoyat. To form the past tense, the beginning of the verb changes. Could becomes chuid, chuid me and shoyat. I've put them here. And if you want to ask a question, did you put is an do chuidu. And the negative I didn't put is cha do chuid me. Program 9 introduced some common expressions. I can and I can't. Suringo and chanuringo. We also had hoidgo, give me. Then there's ha and tachgris aram, I'm hungry, and ha ikov aram, there's fear in me or I'm afraid.
Cwr mo fiag a ford. Han dachgris aram.
Kerskeljór, synt og vieg.
Har gon tullug bandata.
Gaan muringo.
Garsan.
Gaan je tulik bedata akkem. Heikel waram. Ami toppen woe.
Furig binet. Hami curie tea.
Gleva. Syn koper tea. En das of gar lichet skilling.
Lichet skillin. Jena ham bandata.
Lichet skilling. En das of gar lichet skilling. Dag, belief. Ga me fall af.
Furig rum. Hami chin kolderum.
Kaartje wil uit daar.
Hami doltan bar.
Ach, een bieg.
Je?
Gaat de gaaf uit de wieg.
Ha. Gaan jullie een dachgris aram.
In Program 7, we dealt with numbers. In this film from North Uist, we see numbers being used in children's games. But we begin with the mobile shop in Skye.
Hallo, hallo man.
Get out. Ja toch.
Ach, en je kale zuur. Roheen, trein nu duw.
Va, kleedhang. Die hou kierie.
En wel veel uur dat het duw.
Gaan die lekelaram. Ach, bijak hem maar.
Kleva, en is een dat je gaat prisketje.
Sorry. Zo.
Stel, tjene haarsen.
Ah, vind je het skillen?
Tjene?
Dag man. Roe ik je leren.
Hallo, kan je roe?
Eins waar.
Cover shane.
Dan, wat is het hier nog eens mij?
Oh, shai. Wel, hij is je vader niet.
Weinig.
Shai?
Ja, ik moet dus sparen.
Oh, hij moet toelicht taagplecht.
Sjöåren. Treåren. Anår. Amratiner. Femihunda, sonatek, femigawa, sonatek, femitria, sonatek, femikira, sonatek, femikoka, sonatek, femishia, sonatek, femichekta, sonatek, femihokta, sonatek, feminuga, sonatek, femidihja, sonatek, for me hoon diok, for me gal diok, for me tree diok, for me cake diok, for me coke diok, for me shiat diok, for me shech diok, for me hoch diok, for me nook diok, a fichit as a latek. Ha me follow vanished.
You'd notice that as the counting went up to 20, we cover the teens. In Gaelic, the equivalent of teen is giach. So, 11 is un giach. 12 is a ga giach. There's aspiration on ta, and the counting goes on. 3 giach, ceher giach, cog giach, shea giach, shech giach, och giach, nui giach, up to fichet, which is 20. When you're using a noun with these numbers, the noun goes in the middle. 11 o'clock is nuir giach, and 12 o'clock is da uir giach. The giach is aspirated. We'll finish today with a group of expressions which are roughly colloquialisms. The Gaelic equivalent of hold on a minute, buzz off, wisht, what's doing, and nothing fresh. We'll put them together into a sketch. First, what's new? J hathol. And nothing new? Chanel Karl Azur.
Jetol.
Chanel Karl Asud.
Then isht, which means wished, be quiet. Shuat, go on when you're coaxing someone. Scuid ye, which means stop it. And hala, go away. Hala gachi, go home.
Joe Jennifer nog.
Isht.
Look your chocolate.
Chanel.
Shoot. Shoot.
Skulje.
Yeah?
Skulje. Hawa gachi.
There's one aspect of Gaelic society which you'll all have come across, even if you haven't a single word of Gaelic, and that's Gaelic music. Perhaps you've tuned into the Sunday service and heard the psalms presented in a haunting, beautiful way. Or there's the bagpipe. It's the stereotype image of Gaelic music, though it isn't primarily a Highland instrument. But at the centre of Gaelic music, there is the song. Joan Mackenzie likes to sing in the traditional style. And here's a lullaby, Clown Uli, a Hionak.
Be clan uli lois loran, be clan uli da vanish, be clan uli lois loran, Gian vanaus da vanish, be clownery. Be clownery at the vanish. Be clownery, shine at a feep. Go where fian at the vanish.
Tapel of Hionak, say cheers. How old is that lullaby, Joan?
Oh, it's very old, 16th century perhaps, or earlier. The Clanuli mentioned in the title have disappeared from Lewis' history long, long ago. But it's a very interesting song also because of its relationship to piping, you know, with the lilt of the melody. And also its relationship to the well-known pipe tune Going Home to Kintail, you know, da da dee da dee da dee da 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 dee da 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 da, and so on.
Of course, one of the features of pipe music is the addition of grace notes. You know, that sort of trill around the note. And you get that in a song as well, don't you?
Oh, yes, but there is a very big difference between the two, because in pipe music, the notation is much more precise. You play exactly what is written, but in Gaelic traditional singing, you are free to embellish the song and to follow your own fancy, really. And that's another thing. The lyrics are very important in Gaelic song. In fact, the words are more important than the melody. This is one of the reasons, I think, why we do not use an accompaniment so often, because the audience always likes to hear the words. And you find, too, that with this freedom, our traditional songs are not like the sort of four-square rhythm of an English folk song, for example.
But there are rhythmic songs as well, aren't there?
Oh, yes, of course there are. There are the work songs. Some people would call a lullaby a work song. But what I think of as work songs are these tasks that they had in crafting communities, you know, that were long, repetitive and rhythmic, such as, well, milking, churning, weaving, spinning, and of course the walking of tweed. Now, with these songs, they had choruses of vocables. The vocables in themselves don't really mean very much, but they did serve a purpose. They allowed the soloist to take a breath, and they also drew everyone into the rhythm of the song. And you do find actually that after a while it has an hypnotic effect on you. It's really quite remarkable.
Now, you've promised to sing us a work song, and I believe it's going to be a walking song.
Yes.
Which one is it?
Well, it's a very simple walking song, really. The chorus is Filua Rahua. These are the vocables. They don't mean anything. Gurtu Machrenyak Voyoch. That does, I hope, because it says, you are my bonny lassie, Filua Rahua.
Tapela Vihanak. Now, remember the chorus. Filua Rahua, Gurtu Machrenyak Voyoch.
Filua Rahua, Gurtu Machrenyak Voyoch. Filua Rahua, Yengan Runaklat, Namikta Chujak Janach. Filua Rahua, Gurtu Machrenyak Voyoch. Filua Rahua, Yengan Yaliklat, Nanyalatu Mafasi. Filua Rahua, Gurtu Machrenyak Voyoch. Filua Rahua.
Anisha na Bonnechen. Ha eiche na blian oud aun. It's New Year's Eve. Ha party an an tai Eli agus Iain. Go ha chien.
Tellum hinguichen y blanŵr.
Ha trína, ha genital shears. Stelum hin Katrina.
Stel Iain.
And what party I command to you?
Jay.
And then tall party even you.
Katrine.
Kershaw.
Ba hen agus anna trot.
Kershaw.
Oh, na Bonnechen Tarsten.
Na Bonnechen Tarsten.
be alles te de gefarti nog.
Han ni listen?
Quatschen gepartieli.
A hun Katrina, a ga, dol, a tri, Ellie, a kehe, Ian, a coach, Uheen. Houd al lang, nach hel.
Gaan jullie zakken?
Och ha, be dol lang,
Hasjen, ma. En wil u heen het al lang?
Himi. Ha jen kumanische.
Ha? En wil het al er als je de water nisje?
Wel, waar jenne waar het maar de water.
Welke giraf?
Well, a going. Jettel.
Gaan jullie kale soer? Kom maar uit de gas in.
Han ni lite dan inte det going. Shoot hat trainen. Har tramme vårt det gång. Han la hasek dol pristitjer.
Ha hullet in jenne waar het maar. Dol, Ian. Oh, hullet in je ach misje. Koken de andere hotel. Shin misje. En je laat je takken. En je tajakken. En je kalakken. Kalach opet. A hulle la.
Och, ist al schön agus trout kularemse gepartieli. Schaul hein er diek.
Voor die gram minach. Rein me cake at sonne farty.
Hikke støy alles dit. Sushies.
Sjouwlig heker en allested. Sjouwlig heker allested.
Hai, Bria.
Hij maakt wel allested en sjou nach hel.
Sjoe, te gaat trainen. Kun je een woord en shin?
Stel hem heen Anne.
Kim er toch als briesje in.
Briestjanne. Zullen we heen alles. Hou kom aan.
Ha Jan, klewa.
Ga trainen. Har wat pies in een geek. Een geek kijkt alles dit.
Hij was toch ma.
Shit, als pies dan een hullet in je gaat trainen.
Wij kijk allested ma nach ro.
Vaak het jera, wacht, wat shit geljaar. Gaf geen jaren in de schatriane. Sjoerd, gaf oren.
Gaf heen oran.
Jin doe de haai.
Ai, coach minach in kutahar giek.
Sjoerd te gooi. Sjellen doe de haai.
Han jocherem.
Stel hem heen in een planoer.
Stel hem heen Anne. En nooit. Sjellen doe de haai.
Daar, hier.
Hier.
Ja, dat is genoeg.
Hij Bria, stel hem van het judaken. Hij zin man. Zit weer Kelly. Agus camera show.
Hava stuur.
Stel hem heen uit.
Trout alles er. Ham is je fall af, ham is skietje in een bonnetje en zijn kalach bonnetje nog eens tarstein.
Ha vannet jak het heen Bria Alistair. Agus Alistair van kijk jak het onwasig ma.
Sjoerd, de gatriane. Gaf oren gejenische. Oren maak Gaelic.
Stel hem heen in een planoer.
Ook leef.
Heyo heydem, gonde me shreidu. Heyo heydem, gonde me shreidu. Heyo heydem, gonde me shreidu. Chile de steiras royal. Heyo huo, hook up on a jurgo. Heyo huo, hook up on a jurgo. Heyo huo, hook up on a jurgo. Ripping out the schoon, out the clock. Heyo heydem, gonde me shreidu. Heyo heydem, gonde me shreidu. Heyo heydem, gonde me shreidu. Chile de steiras royal. Heyo heydem, chagav me shijisket. Heyo heydem, chagav me shijisket. Heyo heydem, chagav me shijisket. Chudi kalach yesket avor.
Gina mi mo chael min jach a ro mo crach. Gina mi mo chael min jach and jachach mi a valai. Gina mi mo chael min jach a hjun can roi.